and we are excited to explore the fascinating deal between traditional and modern ways of life. In today's fast-paced world, we have moved away from nature-friendly habits of the past, embracing convenience that often come with a hidden cost. While it is tough to completely ditch these modern comforts, let's dive into how we can minimize their impact and make more mindful choices. Mudpot. Our ancestors used clay pots. Clay pots naturally keep water cool because they have pores which is good for health.
7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change.
Plastic pots. Today we use plastic pots that are not good for the soil. Plastic pots do not break easily and are lightweight, but they are dangerous when exposed to high heat.
8, 7, 6, 5.
Clay pots are best for health and tradition, but plastic pots are convenient for practical use.
Letter. The messenger who carried thought as words. A timeless epic that nourishes memories. A living paper that shared all our joys and sorrows even when forgotten.
6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change.
Online chat. A new relationship blooming at your fingertips. Emoji, smile and pop up without any deep thought. Words too timid to be spoken. Face to face, flow freely on the typing screen. A new relationship was created by this online chat today.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change.
Traditional games. Traditional games like kabaddi, goli-kundu, nondi, hide and seek. The time when hands played after drawing lines on the ground. The friendship that blossomed in the dusty soil. We got hand and leg pain singing kabaddi kabaddi. We joined together and enjoyed. We lived happily. It had physical labor. It told the truth to friendship. Those are our traditional games.
Online games. Today, the world is in our hands. Hands talk to machines. The heroic word emerges within the expanding screen. We form alliance with someone who is somewhere else. No physical work, no time to roam the street. A lot of work for the eyes, less concentration within the field. These are today modern games.
4, 3. Next, change.
Traditional food. செந்நிற தானியம் சிறுகடுகின் வடிவம் மண்ணின் மாண்பு ராகி. Ragi rich in calcium. It is great for bone health. Keeps you full longer and regulates blood sugar. கொதிக்கும் தண்ணீரில் குவிகின்ற மாவு. துடுப்பு சுழல மெல்ல திரளும் பாவி. வெள்ளப்பாகோ வெங்காய காரமோ அது களி தரும் பேரின்பமே. களி. களி traditionally eat in South India to beat the tropical heat.
Change.
Online foods. Today the mobile phone is enough. The food menu will appear your eyes. What do you want? Where will you get it? It taken minutes to choose. From biryani to traditional curry, you order in online. The food arrives at the door within half an hour. This is the modern era.
8, 7. Next, change.
Lamp. lamp is more than just a source of light. A lamp is a traditional flash typically made by dropping a sturdy wooden pole with cloth soaked in oil or resin. Before the invention of modern electricity, these torches were the primary source of light for village gatherings.
6, 5, 4, 3, next, change.
Torchlight. Modern torchlights are marvels of portable engineering, shifting from simple incandescent bulb to the high-performance LED technology. These devices are designed for maximum efficiency, providing intense brightness while consuming minimal power. While the lamp is a piece of furniture, a torchlight is a piece of equipment.
2, 3, next, change.